अस्सलामुअलैकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा व तालिबात, हम उसी तरह से अपनी डेली कॉन्वर्सेशन की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। एक बात को आप उसूलन समझ लीजिए कि अगर आप सिर्फ लेसन सुनेंगे और उनको प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो आपको इतना फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। किसी भी काम के लिए मश्क जो है वो लाजमी जुज़्व होता है, वरना आप यू आर अनएबल टू होन योर स्किल्स। So please be practice and practice and practice, make environment as I told you in the last lecture. Let's have a look at that. आइए ज़रा देखते हैं। What sports can you play? आप कौन से sports खेल सकते हो? I can play tennis, I can play basketball, I can play cricket, I can play football. Can you give me a hand? नो प्रॉब्लम। क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे? वो कहेगा जी बिल्कुल। आई एम अफ्रेड आई कैंट। और अगर नहीं कर सकते तो फिर आई एम अफ्रेड। कुड यू प्लीज़ डू मी अ फेवर? आई वुड बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू। आई वुड बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू। कुड यू प्लीज़ गिव मी दैट बुक? श्योर, व्हाई नॉट। वुड यू माइंड ओपनिंग द विंडो? इट वुड बी माई प्लेयर। प्लेयर वुड बी माइन। वो कहेगा खिड़की खोल सकते हैं? आप कहेंगे यस, व्हाई नॉट। How can I help you? May I help you? Yes, I am looking for a sweater. मैं एक अपनी जर्सी ढूंढ रहा हूँ। Can I try it on? Sure, the changing rooms are over there. उसने कहा क्या मैं पहन सकता हूँ? उन्होंने कहा हाँ, कपड़े बदलने की जगह चेंजिंग रूम जिसे अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं, उसने कहा वो वहाँ है, आप वहाँ जाइए। Can I try it on somewhere? The fitting room is in the left corner. उन्होंने कहा फिटिंग रूम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे है, वहाँ जाइए। What size do you wear? आप कौन सा साइज पहनते हैं? Medium size should be fine on me. What size do you take? I take size 11. Is that a good fit? क्या ये आपको फिट है? कपड़ों वाली दुकान पे हैं आप। It's little too small. ये थोड़ा सा चुस्त है, little too small. It's just right. अगर ठीक है तो आप कहेंगे ये बिल्कुल ठीक है। Have you got something bigger? Of course we have got larger sizes as well. हमारे पास बड़े साइज भी हैं। How much is it? How much does it cost? It's $11. It's $11. How would you like to pay? I would like to pay by cash. मैं कैश से पे करूँगा, यानी Can I pay by credit card? Certainly we accept all the major credit cards from all the banks. Do you need anything else? No thanks. How are you feeling? Great. Never better. Really awful. बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। How was the party? It was a great time. Good time. Boring. I couldn't wait to get out of there. मज़ा नहीं आया यार, वक्त बड़ा ज़ाया हो गया। We need a few more minutes. I would like a cake, please. मैं केक को पसंद करूँगा। Would you like chicken or pasta? I will have the chicken. मैं पसंद करूँगा chicken. What would you like to drink? Iced tea, please. Nothing for me. Thank you. Thanks. Did you save room for dessert? Dessert कहते हैं खाने के बाद जो मीठा होता है। No, thank you. I am already full. Yes, please. Can I see the list? हाँ, आप मुझे वो लिस्ट दिखाएंगे, मेन्यू शो करेंगे। Question: How does it taste? कैसा टेस्ट है? It's palatable. It's delicious. It's yum yum. It's yummy. ये बहुत मज़ेदार है। Can I get you anything else? No, no. Thank you. I am ready for the bill, please. मैं बिल के लिए तैयार हूँ। अच्छा जुमला है। Yes, can I see a dessert menu? क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ डेजर्ट का मेन्यू, मीठे का, मीठे की फहरिस्त? What do you think about this event? I really like it. What do you think? I came with my what do you think? Are you here with anybody? Yes, I came with my bestie, with my best friend. मैं अपने बेस्ट दोस्त के साथ आया। Have you got a pet? I got a puppy. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। What's this? This is a pencil, a lead one. What does she look like? She is tall and slim with blonde hair. Brown बाल हैं, मॉडल की तरह। How is she? Oh yes, she is pretty. What is he like? He is very smart and brave. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. No, no, I am full. How do you feel about him? आप उसके बारे में राय ले रहे हैं, वो कैसा है? और जवाब दो एडजेक्टिव्स में दिया, he is quite friendly and helpful. He is quite friendly and helpful. वो बहुत मुआविन है, दोस्ताना रवैया रखता है. May I open the window for you? Yes, certainly. It's very hot in here in the office today. आज यहाँ पर हब्स है, गर्मी है. Do you need help? No, no. I am good. Thanks for asking. Yes, please. Don't mind. And if you don't mind, please. Question. What do you do every day? आप सारा दिन क्या करते हैं? I listen to music. मैं मौसीकी सुनता हूँ and play tennis. And I play badminton every day. और मैं बैडमिंटन खेलता हूँ. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure yet. I am not sure yet. What are you planning after work? I am going shopping with my friend. I am going shopping with my friends. Are you free tomorrow? I am free tomorrow. No problem, we can meet tomorrow. Will you join me for coffee? I would love to. Thanks, I would love to. मैं पीऊँगा. और अगर नहीं है, जल्दी में, sorry, I am afraid, I don't have time. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. Could you have lunch together? Could we have lunch together one? अगर आप yes कहना चाह रहे हैं, with pleasure. Why not? I would love to, but I am very busy. अभी मैं at the moment का मतलब होता है अभी मैं मशगूल हूँ, मसरूफ़ हूँ. Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes, that would be nice. Where do you want to go? I would like to go to a Japanese restaurant. मैं Japanese restaurant में जाना पसंद करूँगा. Would you like to come to the cinema with me tonight? I would love to, ज़रूर. I cannot. I have got other plans. नहीं, मैंने तो और भी मेरे काम हैं. Would you like to play a round of golf this weekend? That would be great. That would be great. I would like to, but I'm not free this weekend. मैं इस weekend पर फारिग नहीं हूँ. How much coming to the barbecue? How about coming to the barbecue at the tennis club? Sure, that would be great fun. That would be fun. Nice of you to ask me, but I have got an appointment. कि मैंने किसी से मिलना है. Have you been waiting long? I have only just arrived, not waiting long, only a few minutes. मैंने चंद मिनट इंतज़ार किया. How do you get to work? I usually drive my car. I usually drive my car. Is it close to the subway station? Yes, it is very close. How long does it take? It takes half an hour. आधा घंटा लगता है मुझे. How often do you ride the bus? कितनी मर्तबा आप जाते हैं? How often का मतलब होता है कितनी मर्तबा. Once in a while, कभी कभार जाता हूँ. Could you tell me how to get to the police station? Take the second road on the right. Right दाएं तरफ जाएंगे और दूसरी सड़क पे पुलिस स्टेशन आएगा. It's in the middle of the block. ये बिल्कुल ब्लॉक के बीच में आपको नजर आएगा. Excuse me. Is there a bank near? Yes, there is a bank nearby. बैंक करीब है. I am sorry, I don't know. मैं नहीं बता सकता, मेरे इल्म में नहीं. What's the best way to the museum? म्यूजियम की तरफ कौन सा रास्ता जाता है? Go across the bridge. ब्रिज के पार जाना है. Turn right, दाएं तरफ लेना है. It's an Oliver Street और वहाँ Oliver Street होगी. You could ask the bus driver. आप प्लीज़ पूछ लीजिए बस चलाने वाले से. Can I speak to Emma, please? Just a moment, please. Certainly, I'm Emma. मैं Emma हूँ. I am sorry, Emma's not here at the moment. Emma अभी यहाँ नहीं है, ऑफिस में नहीं है. She is somewhere else. She is not available right now. Question, what will she be back? When will she be back? वो कब वापस आएंगी? Emma. She will be back in 20 minutes. वो 20 मिनट में आ जाएंगी. Did you get my message? Yes, yes, I did. Get your message. Oh yeah, I think I got something from you. Question, would you like to leave a message? क्या आप कोई पैगाम छोड़ना चाहेंगे? Please ask her to call me back. When Emma comes, please ask her to call me back. Emma आए तो उन्हें बताइए कि मुझे call back करें. How long have you been working here? आप यहाँ कब से काम कर रहे हैं? I have been working here for 5 years. मैं 5 साल से यहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ. What time does the meeting start? The meeting will start at 9. What time does the meeting finish? The meeting will finish at 11. Are you sick? Yes, I am down, I am sick. What are your symptoms? I got a headache. तो मेरे सर दुख रहा है. I have been feeling sick. How long have you been feeling like this? For 2 days, for a couple of days. Are you on any sort of medication? I need a sick note. उन्होंने कहा दवाइयाँ ले रहे हो? उन्होंने कहा हाँ मुझे prescription चाहिए. What's the counter please? I don't know. Let's go to the information. जाइए मालूमात के desk पे. It's over here next to gate 7. That's enough for today, dear students. We have completed our task of today. What you are supposed to do is again listen to my lectures over and over again so that you feel confident, you are able to speak, and you are able to use these phrases in your day-to-day conversation. As you have seen that these words and phrases are very common. We make use of these sentences and vocabulary words in our day-to-day conversation when we get up, leave the home, go to the college, university, anywhere else in the bank. We need to use these words. तो इन words को इस्तेमाल करें, इनको practice में लेके आइए और इस दुआ के साथ लेक्चर का इख्तिताम करते हैं. अल्लाह ताला हमारा हामी नासिर हो. जज़ाक.